Hello guys, today I have got T-Mobile 5G router DL5M2 and I'm going to show you how to fix your router showing slow speeds despite full signal. Seeing full signal bars on your router but still getting slow internet speeds can be frustrating, I know. Here, this signal, for me it's mostly orange. For you, it should be green. The good news is that signal strength isn't the only factor that determines the speed. Now let's start if it's Wi-Fi or the mobile connection. So first you need to determine where this slowdown is happening. Connect the computer to the router using an Ethernet cable over here and the second part into the computer and run a speed test. Compare the results with a test over the Wi-Fi, which can be taken on the phone. If a turn is much faster, the issue is with your Wi-Fi network. If both are slow, the problem is likely the cellular connection. Remember, full signal doesn't always mean high speed. It's possible to have excellent signal strength, but poor performance because of network congestion during busy hours, connection to a low-capacity LTE band, heavy demand on the nearby cell tower. For example, earlier our router was connected to the 4G band 8, 900 MHz. Band 8 provides excellent coverage, but generally offers lower capacity than bands such as band 3, 1800 MHz, or band 7, 2600 MHz. If your router stays on band 8, speeds may be limited even with the full signal. So remember to set it up completely good for you. Number 3 is to reposition the router. Try moving the router near a window, higher on a shelf, away from metal objects and large appliances. Even moving it by a meter or two can allow it to connect to a faster LTE or 5G cell. Here I've got, as I mentioned, this band 8, 900 MHz connected, which means that even this 1 meter makes a lot of difference. Number 4, restart the router. A simple reboot can cause the router to reconnect to a different tower or frequency band. So click this button right here, then unplug the cable from your router. Now you need to wait a moment, I'd say maybe 30 seconds or even 1 minute, and then plug your cable back into your router. Now turn it on, and now you need to wait. You need to allow several minutes for it to reconnect. Number 5, check for the network congestion. Run speed tests early morning, afternoon, and evening. If speeds are only slow during peak hours, the local tower is likely congested. This isn't something you can fix on the router itself. Use the best Wi-Fi band. If only Wi-Fi devices are slow, use 5 GHz when you're close to the router for higher speeds. Use 2.4 GHz connection only when you need greater range. Number 7, update the router. If a firmware update is available in your MyWiFi panel, install it. Updates can improve modem performance, stability, and compatibility with the network. Number 8, reduce network load. Check whether other devices are streaming 4K video, downloading large files, backing up photos to the cloud or something like that, or gaming online. These activities can consume a significant portion of your available bandwidth. Number 9. I actually recommend to perform a factory reset. You need to prepare yourself a paper clip or something which is very, very small. Put it right here when your router is of course turned on until you hear click, and while you hear click you need to keep holding it till the system LED light is blinking with different colors. This is the factory reset, and you'll need to go for this all setup and logs back again, and you need to just do everything like you bought it brand new. It should fix it. Goodbye.